You are faithful always. You are gentle and kind. Your love is steadfast all the time. And when I heard a voice, I knew it was yours.
He's faithful only if you let him be. Can you tell me if you found love greater than that of Jesus? He's a faithful lover, you know. You can count on him today, and he keeps on loving you, even if you stray afar. He is faithful only if you let him in.
You are my beloved. You are my all in all. You are my friend in need all the time. You're the love I can't resist. You're the one I cannot miss.
You alone, my love, will never cease. Can you tell me if you found love greater than that of Jesus? He is faithful lover, you know. You can count on him today, and he keeps on loving you, even if you stray afar. He is faithful only if you let him in.
You are my comforter. You are my strength and shield. With you our promises are fulfilled. Though I might have fallen apart, you are always in my heart.
You have found me strength and happiness. Can you tell me if you found love greater than that of Jesus? He's a faithful lover, you know. You can count on him today, and he keeps on loving you, even if you stray afar. He is faithful only if you let him in. Can you tell me if you found love greater than that of Jesus? He is faithful lover, you know. You can count on